Hi, my name is Jessica and today I'm going to show you all about how nven's replenish oil works. So you can see my hair here, it's air dried with absolutely nothing in it. I have shampooed and conditioned it with our wash and polish. You can feel it's nice and soft, but air dried it's still a little bit frizzy. So what's significant about the replenish oil is it's designed to fill in any cracks and crevices that you have in here to make it look completely smooth without having to flat iron it. It's infused with certified arganite oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, and a special essential oil blend that's going to smooth out all of your hair. Why that's significant is if you think about it, if you could skip flat ironing even once or twice a week, think of how much heat damage you're saving from your hair. Flat irons get up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's hot enough to cook a chicken, so you can only imagine the kind of damage it's causing to your hair. So this is our oil. All we're gonna do is start with putting about a quarter size. That's quite a bit, but you're gonna see how lightweight it really truly is. Just gonna break it down and then smooth it into your hair. And I'm actually gonna put in just a little bit more. And just from the mid strands down. Now I'm gonna section my hair. There you have it, and that really didn't take me long at all. So it is designed for really processed hair such as my own, but it is so lightweight that it's gonna dry completely invisible into your hair, so if your hair isn't as thirsty as mine, it's not gonna weigh it down at all. And I'll even show you, I'll even put a little bit more in afterwards. And I really did my hair in no time at all. There you have it. So that is our nvenn replenish oil. Try it, 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you decide you don't like it, just let us know.